Atlantis is something that fascinates many of us. Over the next few weeks, I will be sharing with you my brand new online workshop in two parts. Part one will cover the downfall of Atlantis, where karma was raised, and today we are encouraged to clear this karma by our guides and angels so that we're able to move Earth forward into a new Earth. This new Earth will be a reflection of what occurred during the golden age of Atlantis, and this is what I will cover in part two of my workshop. I do hope you'll join me for some very powerful clearing meditations, as well as meditations that will help return memories to you of golden age Atlantis, as well as ancient gifts that you may have forgotten. And these workshops and meditations will give you the information and the inspiration to move forward into the next stage of your life, whether that is as a light worker or a light practitioner, or just trying to live your best life. So I look forward to you joining me on these on-demand workshops coming soon.